Next thing I want to show you a little bracket I made up right here. 19 inches wide, 11 inches off the wall. Just added some angle iron, some steel. I bent it around in here. And I have these up north in our summer home, but I have one down here. And what this one's used for, got a big bag, plastic bag. On here I got nails in the four corners welded on there. Take the bag, stiff it over that nail, stick it over that nail, stick it over that nail, stick it over that nail. And what I throw in there is cans, my aluminum cans. Put it away. I just toss them in. When it fills up, I take it out of here, take it to the recycle place, put another bag in. Up north it's hung up higher so the bag doesn't sit on the floor, but it's the only out of the way place I got to put it. Hi, that's that little project.